stuck on a desert island, I would definitely choose coconut. I feel like there's lots of benefits from coconuts. You can eat the coconut meat, you can eat the coconut water, it's great fats, and I think it would keep me satiated for hopefully not too long because someone would come and find me, but definitely in the time that I'm there, I think I could live on it. A food that I would choose to live on by just taste alone would definitely be chocolate cake with icing. A homemade chocolate cake with this yummy thick layer, of course, not a thin layer, of icing definitely would, hands down, would be what I would survive on. A mindfulness practice that has helped me the most is doing hot yoga. I was kind of resistant to it for several years, and probably 5 or 6 years ago, I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it, and I love it. So I incorporate it into my weekly exercise at least 2 or 3 times a week. It definitely fills me up. It's a quiet time, but you're working your body, and it gives you time to kind of reflect internally, and it's definitely given me more awareness to myself, and even I feel like I become a better person outside on the yoga mat. So yoga is definitely something that I'll keep doing, and it has very much helped me. If I only had one activity that I could do for the rest of my life, I would choose walking. And I love to work out. I've worked out my whole life. It's definitely something that helps keep me centered. But if I had to choose one thing, I would definitely choose the walking. Walking helps me download. I do it every day at some point during my day just to get out of the house and just to kind of be by myself for an hour or so. And it gives you, again, like yoga, time to reflect if you want to, or just not think at all and listen to a book on my AirPods, or just really be in nature as well. So walking for sure is something that I would always do. What is the best piece of advice that I received in my life? I think that it is being true to yourself and speaking your truth. Sometimes in difficult situations, speaking your truth can be hard because you don't want to hurt the other person. But oftentimes just being true to who you are, having the integrity to say how you feel is so important, and it keeps you moving forward in life instead of getting stuck in places that maybe aren't good for you. So being true to yourself and speaking your truth.